Go.
And that's
Do it from the neck down.
Welcome into the Sports and Wellness Center's post-game player of the game interview. Marco Serino here with Nick Nieder. Nick, a really good performance tonight, and it looked like you were seeing the puck really well.
That was very good. The guys played very well tonight. They limited their shots and scoring chances. A little blemish at the end, but overall we had a hell of a game. We played the best we have all year.
Absolutely, yeah. And for a couple of plays there, you did a really nice job going post to post, and you actually dove on a puck like it's a grenade. Is that kind of your style, or do you prefer to be stand up and see the shots cleanly?
It doesn't really matter. I guess one way or the other it has to be done. Not the prettiest looking fella, the prettiest looking goalie, so it works so far, and we'll see if it keeps going.
Now, since it is the month of November, we have to talk about this beautiful handlebars here. For some of us who are follically challenged, such as myself, what's your secret?
Yours doesn't look that bad. When you grow up, you'll be fine. But overall, the guys are growing their mustaches. It's for a great cause. We have a survivor on our team, and any little bit that we can get the awareness out there, we're going to do it. And it's taken off with the club, and saw a couple fans sporting them tonight, so it's the Denver's looking pretty good right now.
Yep, and fans can go to Movember.com. Follow me and the Whalers, donate some money, and at the end of the month, we will have our all FHL Movember team. I think Mr. Nieder makes a fine candidate. You can vote for that yourself. Nick, great game. Thanks again for your time.
Thank you very much.
Keep going.
Thank you.